I know investing in ETFs seems overwhelming. There's so many options, but I want to show you something. A lot of people will drive themselves absolutely nuts mulling over the right one. Is it an index fund? Is it a dividend? Is it tech? Is it growth? And yes, you could be diversified. You could have one S&P, one tech, one dividend, and be good and well-rounded. But a lot of people want one investment. They're lazy. They don't care about the stock market and checking in on their portfolio every day or every week. They just, give me a fund that I can hold forever. But what's the right one? By the way, my name is Kenneth, and I teach my almost 500,000 social media followers how to trade and invest and live below their means. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, smash that follow. And don't forget to go right here and click on the menu. Everything here is 100% free. There's not even an email sign up. But if you're the type of investor who just can't decide and you feel that analysis paralysis, take a look at this. This is SCHD, it's a dividend fund. And if we go all the way back to 2011, you can see that this fund has just done very well. In fact, it's up 231%. Wow, my screen is really dirty. All right, that is so much better. All right, well, what if you picked an S&P 500 index fund instead? With dividends reinvested, that's what this chart shows, by the way. I'm using Morningstar. You can see that the performance is almost identical. Okay, well, what if we picked a tech fund instead? All right, I'm going to add QQQ to the list, and you can see that QQQ, which is in green, look at that, up 721%. And we could do VTI as well. They're the one in blue, 333%. Or what if you went with a real estate investment trust? I used O, Realty Income, and you can see them all the way down here at the bottom, 91%. Okay, fine, you get the idea, but what's the point? The point is twofold. One, the goal is to be diversified. I'm a fan of picking a couple different investments to give you exposure to different types of growth. Dividend, passive income, tech. But the other point is, look, they're all up. Over the long term, which is all that really matters. Whether you're up 234% or 300%, you're still up, which is more than the zero it would be if you never invested at all. Smash the follow. See you later.